In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable session breaks on TradingView using a custom indicator. Many of you may have noticed that the built-in session breaks feature in TradingView applies only to chart backgrounds and not to separate session lines. That's why we'll explore how to utilize custom indicators to achieve a more precise and visually appealing setup. First, let's open the TradingView platform and navigate to the chart analysis window. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're in the analysis window, direct your attention to the top toolbar and look for the FX icon, or as it's commonly referred to, the Indicators button. Click on it and you'll be presented with a comprehensive list of tools and indicators. In the search bar at the top, type Session. This will quickly filter down the list to show session-related indicators such as sessions or daybreak lines. These are important because they offer pre-coded logic designed to visually highlight different market sessions on your chart. Click on the indicator that suits your needs best to add it to your chart. Now that the indicator is part of your workspace, the next step is customization, which is vital for tailoring it to your specific requirements. First, look for the option labeled Show Session and toggle it on. This simple action will allow the session lines, which demarcate different trading sessions, to be displayed on your chart. Next, you'll want to set the session time. This feature allows you to define the start and end times for your desired trading sessions. Whether you're monitoring the London, New York, or Asia sessions, setting the times correctly is crucial for capturing accurate data. Just remember to add these times in a 24-hour format for clarity. Adjusting the display color is another customizable option that can significantly enhance the visual clarity of your chart. Choose colors that contrast well with your existing chart design to ensure the session break lines are easily noticeable. Furthermore, most indicators offer an option to change between UTC and local exchange time zones. Making this adjustment ensures that the session lines align perfectly with the global market times or your specific exchange, maintaining accuracy across time zones. Utilizing a custom indicator offers significant advantages. Unlike the pre-built TradingView settings, custom indicators like sessions and daybreak lines provide more granular control. You can tailor the time zones, session times, and overall display styles to fit your unique trading strategy. Plus, if you're dealing with specific markets or exchanges, this tool allows you to showcase market-specific breaks accurately, ensuring you have a complete view of trading activity. Remember, setting up your custom indicator is an investment in enhancing your trading visuals, making it easier to interpret and act on market data efficiently. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in enriching your TradingView experience.